Welcome to WDD's HotSpot. I'm Mike Luciano, Associate Editor, and in this week's episode we have the pet door that only opens for your dog or cat, the robot companions of the future, and RFID reading drones that could save retailers billions. It's estimated that roughly 78 million dogs and 85.8 million cats are owned as pets in the United States. Most pet owners like to incorporate as much autonomy in their dog or cat's routine, along with their ability to come and go in the house as they please, which is normally solved using a doggy door. Having said that, those little entranceways can often let uninvited guests into your home, like other dogs, cats, or even wild animals.
Hello.
An app-controlled doggy door is becoming available to consumers that will help provide some additional security in this regard and even let you know when your pet enters or leaves the house. Known as the Sure Flap, this innovative pet door not only documents when your dog or cat leaves the house, but only opens for your specific pet if they're microchipped or RFID collared, which you can sync with the door. Not only does this technology recognize your pet using their microchip or RFID collar, but the pet door can be controlled remotely using an app for the pet owner to lock or unlock the door, and even schedule curfew times to keep their pets in the house at specific times of day or night. Owners receive notifications when their pet enters or leaves their home, which are tracked over time and can even be shared with pet sitters or housekeepers. The device requires a minimal 1 Mbps home broadband connection, a spare Ethernet port to plug in the hub device, and is powered by 4 XC batteries and can be purchased for about $150. Nowadays, it seems like everyone you know has some sort of smartphone. It's not inconceivable to predict everyone will have a personal robot companion of some kind another 10 years down the road. If this truly winds up being the case, one of the first robotic companions we could see might be Hexa, a 6-legged artificial intelligence robot developed by the Chinese startup Vincross. Hexa is a hexapod bot that has a total of 19 motors, sensors, AI software, and agile legs. Not only is Hexa capable of traversing several different terrains, but this AI bot is even capable of dancing on its own. Hexa has image, video, face, and voice recognition, along with algorithmic software that can help the robot gain some degree of interactive intelligence and learn new skills. The robot's mobility is modeled after insects, and Vincross envisions Hexa to be a future companion for the elderly that serves as the same role as a dog, cat, or other kind of pet does today. The Chinese startup hopes Hexa can soon be considered an artificial life form due to its deep neural networks and machine learning capabilities. The robotic companion is projected to go on pre-sale for about $600 on Kickstarter, but consumers can also purchase the bot for about $1,000 to beta test, which is what the retail price is projected to be about 1 year from now.
Researchers from MIT have created a system that could drastically change inventory control. The system allows small aerial drones to scan RFID tags from a handful of meters away. The drone can ID the tag's location with an average error of about 19 centimeters. The team believes this device could be used in warehouses for constant surveillance and finding exact item positions. There is always one central challenge with this design. The drones needed for autonomous warehouse navigation are usually small and lightweight with plastic rotors to prevent injury. However, those drones are too small to carry the RFID reader payload. To fix this, the drones relay the signals emitted by standard RFID readers. This particular solution also means that these drones can be deployed without industries updating to new and compatible inventory systems. During test runs, many objects were intentionally hidden. This simulated a situation where merchandise is stacked into piles on warehouse shelves. While finding each item, the system extended the range of the reader tenfold in all directions. Now the team is conducting experiments in a warehouse owned by a major Massachusetts retailer. That's all for this week's episode. Be sure to check on Facebook and Twitter and catch past episodes at wirelessdesignmag.com. For the WDD channel, I'm Jennifer De La Osa. Thanks for watching.